Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Pebblebee card. First, download the correct Find My application for your device, either Apple Find My or Google's Find My device. Next, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and you have an active internet connection. It is also recommended to fully charge your Pebblebee card before beginning the setup process, which typically takes about 4 to 5 hours for a complete charge. Now, let's get your card paired. Bring your Pebblebee card very close to your smartphone. Locate the Pebblebee logo on the front of the card and double press it. You should hear a confirmation beep and see its LED lights flash. A pop-up will then appear on your phone. Simply tap Connect and follow the remaining in-app instructions to name your card and finalize the connection. Once connected, finding your items becomes simple. Open your chosen Find My app to see your Pebblebee card's last known location on a map. If your card is within Bluetooth range, which extends up to 500 feet, you can make it play a loud melody and flash its bright LED lights to pinpoint its exact spot. This feature is incredibly helpful for locating items hidden under cushions or in cluttered spaces. Your Pebblebee card is designed for durability and convenience. It boasts an IPX6 water-resistant rating, protecting it from splashes and spills. A single charge provides an impressive battery life of up to 18 months, meaning less frequent charging. When it's time to recharge, simply use the included magnetic USB-C cable, which connects easily to the back of the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.